Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I will detail how to set your photo as Apple Watch face. So if you want to change this particular Apple Watch face, the timer or the time on your Apple Watch, and use your photo, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set your photo as your watch face or as your Apple Watch face, you need to grab your iPhone because you need to use the watch app on your iPhone to access the photos on your device before you can set the watch face. Now, once you drop your Apple device, go ahead and take your iPhone. On the iPhone, locate watch app, this. Now, once you click on the watch app, look through the navigation and click on Face Gallery. On the Face Gallery, just scroll down the Face Gallery, you should see photos. So just keep scrolling the Face Gallery until you get to photos. Now go ahead and click on that. To use your photo as the watch face, come here and click on choose photo. Then select all. Scroll through and select the photo you want to set as your watch face. So just go ahead, select it. You can select multiple photos. So you can select 2 or more photos. Then click on add. Now hang on, you should see the photo like this. And here you should see I selected 3 photos. Now scroll down. Come here to time size and then select the time size you want to use. Once selected, scroll down, change the numeral, the style, and then you can also adjust the time color. See that? Then if you want to add complications to be able to display something like your battery percentage, just come here, select what you want to add in the complication, then you should have the battery percentage. Bottom, what do you want to add at the bottom? Maybe you want to add find device, then you should have it at the bottom. Once you're good, just scroll up, locate and click on add photos. Then hang on. Now once you selected add photos, come back to your watch face. You can see it has not been implemented, right? Then you need to go back to my watch, click on it at the bottom left. Then under my faces, you should see all your active faces here. Now go ahead and select the new watch face you added. So this is it. Scroll down. Then select set as current watch face. Now instantly, you should see the watch face on your Apple Watch. You can now go ahead, drop your phone, and your Apple Watch is set. You see that? So that's exactly how to set your photo as watch face on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.